much for coming back to our channel. Today what we wanted to share with you is our new Nespresso Vertuo Plus coffee maker. So basically we got this for around Christmas time. We wanted to give it a try and see what the big buzz was about. I know that it's been a while, or this machine has been out for a while. I wanted to give it a try and kind of see what you know, the different type of coffees that it makes. It actually makes about 3 different types. It does the espresso, regular coffee, and also a double shot of espresso. Here we're opening up the box. We actually got it on a sale during Black Friday. It took a little bit for us to receive it, but it was worth it. We received it around Christmas time. It brings all the different instructions, and also it provides different recipes that you can start off your coffee with. As you can see right here, it has all the different samples of coffees. Yeah, here's what it looks like, all the different ones that it comes in the package. I thought that was a really neat feature because it gives you an idea of what you can do, or which ones you want to buy. It's an example of one that it's full coffee, like a full cup of coffee, I should say. Then there's the instructions. It also gives you a like a coupon for you to be able to place your first order, and you get like a 20% discount. At least that's what I remember it was. I ended up getting the matte black, as you can see here. So it goes with the rest of our kitchen aesthetics. It's really slim, and that's what I like about it. And then the aeroccino was also included in this package, which I gotta tell you that the froth in this milk is so delicious. I would highly recommend this for aeroccino. Here's where the capsules will drop after you use them. The neat feature about this is that you can recycle the capsules. And then the other part that I really like, as you can see, I'm moving it around here, and this is because you can actually put the water tank on the side that you best prefer to have it. And before you use it, you do have to let it run a little bit so you can make sure that it's clean inside. And the instructions will take you step by step on how to do it. Initially, I thought the machine was going to be really loud, but in comparison to my espresso machine that I was using before, it's not that loud actually. It's actually very quiet. And there it goes. I had to try a full cup of coffee just to see, because I've been having only espressos with my other machine. So I wanted to taste the difference between a full cup and an espresso. And I gotta tell you, I am still down with my espressos. They still taste very, very good, but it may be because I like more milk than coffee. and I usually do put a little bit more milk than the coffee. But this was very good coffee as well. It's nice and warm. It's not too hot that it'll burn your tongue, but it's not cold either. It's just the perfect temperature for me. I usually like to put a little spoonful of collagen into my coffee. It's flavorless, you can even taste it, but I'll tell you, it does wonders for your skin, your nails, your hair. It's just an amazing product, and I always put a spoonful. I do not put any sugar in my coffee. I figure that putting cream or milk is enough. I've tried the different type of milks. I've tried almond milk, coconut milk, but I always end up doing the half and half here because it comes out like really smooth. And look at the froth in that milk. It's delicious. Just looking at it, I want to go make me one right now.